Preston the turtle with his tiny hands, whittling logs, making toys in the sun's warm bands. Each piece a story full of magic and fun, under the trees where the river runs. With a sharp little knife and a twinkle in his eye, Preston carves wonders, making each toy fly. From wooden boats to tiny castles high, laughter fills the air day after day. Preston's wooden wonders, they light up the play. Adventure in every hand, joy in every day. His creations bring smiles through and through. Preston's toys, oh how they grew. By the riverbank where the birds take flight, Preston's toys come alive, a magical sight. Kids run with delight, their faces alight. In Preston's world, dreams never end right. Preston's wonders that light up the play. Adventure in every hand, joy in every day. His creations bring smiles through and through. Preston's toys, oh how they grew. Preston's wooden wonders, they light up the play. Adventure in every hand, joy is every day. His creations bring smiles through and through. Preston's toys, oh how they grew.
In a school gym, under the bright lights, a turtle stood there not feeling right. The others were gone, just him and his shell, but he knew deep down he was going to tell. With the flip of his tail, he took a big step into the spotlight, no need for a lift. He started to dance, a slow, graceful move. His shell became the stage, his own show. Shell is his stage, no need for a mic. His heart beats loud, his spirit high. Just him and his shell, he's got nothing to hide. He's the star of the night, shining so wide. The audience watched, their eyes wide open, each one is smiling, feeling something new. They saw the turtle, so brave and true. In his simple way, he brought them to view. With every flip, with every twirl, the turtle's joy, the crowd could hear. No need for words, just his movements. His shell was his voice, his story he told. Through the laughter, through the applause, the turtle felt like he was at home. He danced and he sang under the moonlight with his shell as a stage. He felt so alive. Shell is his stage, no need for a mic. His heart beats loud, his spirit high. Just him and his shell, he's got nothing to hide. He's the star of the night, shining so wide. Shell is his stage, no need for a mic. His heart beats loud, his spirit high. Just him and his shell, he's got nothing to hide. He's the star of the night, shining so wide. In Preston's tech dreams, he builds with care. His shell turns into a workshop rare. With circuits and wires, he makes things glow, outsmarting the world with his clever show.